Hi to everyone and welcome. If you're looking to build a professional and beautiful website for your business or for your blog or literally for any purpose that you need, today I want to show you the core knowledges and the basics of how to edit and how to create the sites on this fantastic, very powerful and convenient platform. It's pretty famous and a lot of people using it to build the websites because it's very easy to use, it's very user-friendly, and it's convenient and really powerful. So today I want to show you how to create a website, and you will figure out that it's very easy, it's very fast, and if you have your business or you're just starting your business, you definitely need to use this platform because it's very powerful and easy. So before I've started to show you all the things I wanted to show, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily get that link and you can easily get the platform with a big discount for our subscribers. So be our guest, join, and let's have some fun. So let's jump. I just showed you the main page of this Wix platform, and let's jump to dashboard. Okay, when you're gonna be on the platform, you'll need to press the create a new site. The platform itself will ask you what is the purpose of your web page: business, online store, photography, music, events, fitness, restaurant, designer, blog, and beauty and wellness, portfolio, and other. Actually, it matters because it can save you tons of time and efforts to build if you using a template. So you can let Wix ADI create a website for you with answering a few questions and automatically get a website designed for your purposes, or you can choose a template because there's tons of them. I will choose a template just to show you how it's easy and how it is fast. For example, I wanted to build a yoga studio. You see that there's a pretty fun template, but let's just scroll a little bit. Let's see what's happening here. But I like that one. I like that one. It's pretty cool. Now you can view this or you can edit it straight away. It's downloading. I'll try to make this video short to save your time and to show you just the core knowledges of how to build things, how to move things, how to edit things, and you'll figure out how you can make it by your own, very fast and easy. Okay, here you go. You have a web page, and it's pretty. It's pretty done. We just need to change some things, and I will show you how to do that. Let's find out what's happening here. Site, like preview, get feedback, publish, and so on. This menu, settings, it's very important when you go in live with your website. It's like connect a domain, get a mailbox, upgrade, and so on. Get found on Google, favicon, business info, social share. Like all of this you need to check before you go live. But today I want to show you how to edit things right here because it's very interesting and fun. Menu and pages, you see that there's tons of pages that lay under the home page, and this is site menu. We will add it that you can just make it like that. I want actually to build the simple web page, not the difficult one, because all the things here on the Wix platform is pretty similar. So when you find out how to manage things on the one page, you can build other pages and so on and so on. So just let's jump to edit. You have the strips. It's like a blocks that you can use. There's a header, there's a footer, and there are blocks that contains some things like buttons, icon button, and so on. Also, very important thing is mobile version, because tons of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices and gadgets and tablets and so on, and you definitely need to check everything before you will start going live, yeah, with your website. So actually it's pretty similar to other web page builders, but it's a little bit different. Here you have the styles thing. I will switch it off. All right, there's a header, and actually when you're pressing like left button on it, you can change header design. You have a settings, you have design itself, and you can get help straight from here. You see that there's a color or no color. You can like choose any color that you want, any shape, everything is pretty cool right here. Okay, we're gonna leave the header alone. Just looking for settings, header scroll setting, freezeness, scroll with side, disappearness, and I want it to disappear, for example. Okay. Here also on the menus and pages, home, you can go to settings right here, and you can change the layout. The standard side with a header and a footer, or no header and footer. Actually, if you have a lot of content to type in, of course you'll need this home, about, teachers, contact, classes, plans, and blogs. But you can make it in only one layout. So let's jump to strip background. This is strips. There's like sections. It called strips right here, and you can make everything that you want. You can scroll effect, you can add a scroll effect, layouts, stretch, and help also. So you see that there's a background already here, and you can change the things, opacity, color behind, scaling in position. Like you can play around with all these things. Image text, tell Google, and so on and so on. About us, the Wix Pro Gallery, and so on. There's interesting thing with all this blocks, with all these elements, and you actually can edit them easily and absolutely easy. For example, if we're changing this background, it changes instantly, and that's pretty fun and pretty easy. Here you can change the size of this strip, you have an anchor, and so on. Okay, here you have zoom out and reorder. If you press on it, you can move things, move the strips like that, for example, or like that, and so on and so on. Just wanted to show you. We exit in the mode. You see that there's a color. This is the header. I showed you what's happening with the header. There's a strip background, but the main thing is how to add some stuff here. With this plus button, you can add tons of tools right here. So strip, the contact, welcome, service, team, testimonials, and classic. So you can just drag and drop all the things easily and instantly. For example, I want the strip under the header, and then I want to add some text. For example, heading 1. It's very cool that you can just move things as you want, because a lot of website builders not allows you to do that. They just maybe a little bit easier, but, and you see all the center lines. Yeah, cool, that's centered. Let's edit the text, just double click on it. Okay, for example, like that. And you can, with this text editor, you can like make everything you want. Get it, make it bigger, make it smaller. Make it like this, for example. And change the fonts like any that you want. All right, let's leave it like that. Let's change the strip background, this color. It's pretty suitable, but the text is not visible right now. The text color will be the darker, for example, like that. All right, that's pretty simple and easy. And here you have the next strip. You have the gallery, and you can edit this strip. You can delete this strip, for example, at all. And there's a page background itself. You can set here the scroll effect with the parallax, for example, and you see what's happening. Like it's a background for whole page, and it's laying out there, and it's scrolling, and it's pretty interesting. Let's delete just this strip, and you see it looks pretty better. The text, the same thing with the text. I want it to be, for example, yo yoga. And there's a group element and group elements, and you can play with all this horizontal menu and all these things you have on menus and pages. We changed the background of the whole this picture, and for example, we have this strip. We can make it a little bit smaller right here. Okay, exit mode. Let's jump to gallery. Manage media. It's already pre-made. Like you can upload this images. You can delete them with this trash can button, or you can upload and add in media the new one. Image, video, or text. Images, of course. And we can delete all this, for example, what we don't like. And here you go, you have all the things. Okay, let's just preview this thing. And here you have the photos, all that we uploaded. Features, the same thing with back to editor. You have all this gallery, you have all the fonts, you have all the things. I don't like this white background, for example, and I want to change it to color, and we know that there was such, which color it was. For example, like that. And okay, you see that the font is, the background is changed. And the same things with all those text things, images, settings, design, crop, filters, animation, link, and so on. In design, the form, rounded, and so on and so on. You can choose all these things right here. The same thing with the text. I'm a paragraph, contact us. And this strip, I don't like this strip. Actually, there's a submit to email list. to newsletter. This strip is not, should be here. And you see it's pretty cool and awesome. Okay, we changed some stuff here and it looks a little bit better. I don't like this background here, and you change it with the same things that I showed you already. It's pretty simple and easy. Added all the things. For example, I want to add the text right here, and it will be like wherever I want. I want to add a button, for example, and you can make it like any shape that you want. With this design buttons, you can customize design, opacity, borders, none, corners, 10 pixels, 25 pixels. Yeah, and you see that it changed shape and so on. And the button, when you press in the link, this is a very important thing that you need to add before you go in live, because when somebody will press this button, it should work. For example, I want it to be the email, because you get in the emails from your visitors, and they will become your potential customers. So they need to contact with you, and you need to add like call to actions to all your site. And you just, what's the email address? You type in down your own email address, and the people who will press this button will send you an email. With this text and icon, you changing the text, and that's pretty cool, and that looks great already. You see there's a page, get it class now. For example, I don't like it to be here, I want it to be in the center. I want to change the font, Tahama, for example, and the alignment. Okay, you see it's pretty cool. You can delete things, or you can add strips here. The blocks, that means the blocks, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty that is pretty enough, and you can add things here, and you can use the theme manager. There's tons of things that you can use to build your own web page. All you need, just literally everything that you need to build all the stuff right here, like social, for example. If you have the YouTube channel, you can add it right here, and it's right here. You can set your channel, you uploading here the link for your channel, and it will be available, and somebody will click on it to go out to your YouTube. And there's tons of things that you can apply this to this site. You can change the shapes, you can change the things. I showed you the things with the text. I showed you how to delete the strips that you don't need, or you can build it from scratch actually, or you can build it from the template. Of course, I like to build the web pages that has no such big background, like member sign up, booking pages, blog page, and member pages, and so on. I like to build the web pages that are just laying on one screen and one menu, and that's it, because it's a little bit easier, first of all. But if you have a tons of content that you can show and you want to show to your potential customers, to your visitors, you can build how you think it's correct. Yeah. Okay, guys, I just showed you the core knowledges, the core actions that you can apply to your web page depends on what is your business. And that's pretty simple and pretty easy, and you can get totally customized page. Definitely it's gonna be great, and nobody except you can describe your business better. I like to build the pages that lays on one layout, on one screen, and of course you need to insert to your web page call to actions like sign up now, get in touch, and so on. And the purpose of any landing page or web page is to get a new clients, to get a context from new clients, to work with them a little bit later, like with email marketing provider, and you build in your email list and you grow in your email list, and so your business grows with your email list. And that's pretty it. And the Wix platform is absolutely powerful to build everything that you want, because there are tons of pre-made things here, like tons of them, and you just can edit all the things, and that's it. You go in live with your website, you become visible to search engines, and you get a new clients. This is pretty simple. I hope this all makes sense. I showed you the core knowledges that you should know for build your own web page. Depends on what is your business or what is the purpose of your web page. And I hope this was useful. I want to remind you that link is in the description panel of this video. Via that link you can get the access for Wix platform with a big discount from our team, especially for our subscribers. So join. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope it was useful, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.